Are you looking to enhance your home theater experience without the hassle of complicated setups or overwhelming devices? Meet the Bose TV speaker, a compact soundbar that delivers impressive sound quality in a sleek package. Bose TV speakers are known for their exceptional audio performance, producing the crisp highs and punchy mids that Bose is famous for. It is an excellent choice for both audio enthusiasts and casual viewers. Let's take a look at its key features. Compact footprint. The smallest soundbar in its class, it fits perfectly into limited spaces without compromising sound quality. Easy setup. It's a breeze to set up. Just plug in the power cord and connect it to your TV using an HDMI or optical cable, no lengthy process or app downloads required. Versatile connection. With both optical and HDMI connection options, plus Bluetooth 4.2, you can easily connect various devices from your TV to smartphone. Reason to buy. Its compact and stylish design makes it a great addition to any decor. The user-friendly setup ensures that even the least tech-savvy can enjoy high-quality audio without hassle. And it delivers a solid sound performance, delivering a satisfying audio experience with an impressive soundstage for its size. However, there are some factors to consider before buying. Lack of smart features. The Bose TV speaker doesn't support Wi-Fi or voice assistant, limiting its functionality compared to other models. Limited EQ customization. Audiophiles may find sound customization options lacking, as deep personalization is minimal. In terms of performance, Bose TV speakers offer excellent audio for its size. It supports Dolby Digital but lacks advanced formats like Dolby Atmos or DTS. While it produces a satisfying low-end rumble, higher-end competitors can deliver a richer sound experience. Mids and highs are clear, but the extended dialogue setting can sometimes make the treble sound harsh. One of the standout features is its simplicity. Setup is as easy as plug and play. The included remote controls volume, dialogue enhancement, and bass settings. Keep an eye on it though, because the soundbar lacks onboard controls. With Bluetooth and an aux port, you can connect to various devices, but the absence of Wi-Fi and Smart Assistant compatibility may limit its versatility. Designed with compactness in mind, Bose TV speakers have a compact and durable plastic shell, easier to clean than traditional cloth covers, making it perfect for any living space. When it comes to price, Bose TV speakers stand out for those who prioritize sound quality in a compact design. However, if smart features and extensive customization are essential to you, consider exploring other options at similar price points. In conclusion, Bose TV speakers provide an excellent audio experience for its size, which makes it a great choice for those with limited space or those who prefer a simple setup. Although it may lack advanced features, its solid performance and ease of use make it a worthy investment. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite shows or diving into a cinematic adventure, this soundbar is sure to impress.